Hello, good day. This is Nick, and this is the start of our first day of our 2 weeks boot camp. So right now, as you can see on the screen, I just showed you both emulator of iOS and Android, which we will use for React Native, so that in this tutorial you will learn on how to build or launch the React Native in cross-platform tools. So what are the things that you needed to install here? So technically, you will need to install some dependencies since I'm using um, MacBook Pro. So on Windows, I'll send you the specific link on how to install your dependencies, and so that you can go ahead and do pull up this um, uh, the, the node or the React Native on your device's emulator. So in which I what I did is I do use terminal, or that will be more easy to my end to go further to upload or to do code the mobile app. So this is the initial when you already finished or you already installed the React Native. You will see this logo in particular, and it will load your um, it will load the React Native interface on your iOS and Android emulator app. So now, just give me a second. So now, what are the things that we will need to install for a dependency? So number one, you should since I am using Mac, you need Homebrew. So this is the installer for Node and Watchman. So Node.js is a package or Node package manager needed to install the native commands line interface. And Watchman is a tool used by Facebook Watch change in the file system, and this is recommended for its performance. React Native command line interface used to generate a compile project and Xcode needed for iOS simulator, and since I also doing or do cross platform, I already also installed Android Studio.